Wow, what a view. Very nice view of Henann. Sarap, Gian.
This one.
Go swim. Go swim na, papi.
Yung nila.
Swim na, Marco.
Okay.
Swim. Go.
Sabi sa camera.
I'm vlogging, you're vlogging too. Sa selfie siya. When you come here for a day tour, they will allow you to use their Wi-Fi and give you in each device. They have password different from the other, not the same, not all the same passwords and usernames. So you must have to ask them, the crew, what will you use for the Wi-Fi. Okay, that's it. Find out what they have here. Papi! Gusto ko din sa tubig mag-order. Doon tayo sa kabila.
Yeah, that's great.
Ano bang mga ano dyan? Let us see. Ay? No, may smoothie sila. Ano ka ba? For kids, there are a lot of drinks. Smoothies, they have perfect 8, orange juice, pineapple, peaches. Wow! A lot of flavors. Good for you. Ripe mango, green mango, strawberry, yogurt, and honey. Strawberry smoothies. Wow! A lot. And how about you? Chilled juices, coolers, sodas, coffee and tea, beer, shooters. John and Marco, look at them. Nakalayo na sila. Punta pa silang dagat mamaya. Tequila sunrise.
Ng Hotel Swelt, ma'am.
And then?
Lagoon.
Okay. Wow. And Corona. Nice. How much?
Balik mo, sir.
Thank you, Lester. Wow, wonderful, amazing Henann. I love it. I love Henann. I love Bohol. Thanks God for everything.
Oh, sige. Go, go.
It's already sunset, guys, and Marco doesn't want to come out from the pool anymore. Hello? Let's go. Okay, just remain. We will go. We will leave you. Okay? Huh? Everyone is enjoying life here in Henann. Somebody is sleeping, and there are a lot of people swimming, and a lot of drinking people there, and a lot of people enjoying, talking to each other, chatting with each other, and children laughing, playing, diving. And my son enjoyed a lot, and my husband and my son. Henann, look at that. Nagligpit siya ng towels ng Henann. Okay? Very good boy. Ayan, ang mga very good family. Here you are. Ang galing. Inayos ang towel, guys. Galing, guys. Ay, nandito siya. Anira iuli? Tura. Okay, sige. Thank you. Okay. Job. Oh, you're very good girl. You're generous. Oh, yeah. Si Miss Jessica. Okay. And I met also MJ. Parehas na kugan MJ sa ang waitress dito ganina. You're so very nice, guys. Let's go back to where we came from this morning to get the refund of our the locker fee. Okay, and then we will go home. Maybe we just go to the beach and see the view, diba? Nice. See that? Ang dami ng lights kasi inabot na tayo ng gabi. I am here to get my refund of 500. Is it here? Inside? Ah, may sign in pa. Okay. Autograph pa?
Yes po.
Okay. Autograph. Okay, thank you.
Laki lang. 1 locker K. Gusto yung matag-trace namin natin po. 036.
We are now preparing for the dinner. Here for the dinner. Wow. Okay. Another one? Wow naman. Okay now? Okay, thank you, cleared. I got my refund of 500 pesos which we paid this morning in order for us to have a locker. And here we go. We are now going out. Maybe we will just stroll along the beach with my husband and my 2 sons, Marco and Gian. Where are you guys? Naku, iniwan na ako. Iniwan na nila ako. Iniwan na ako. Oh, here you are. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Stroll here. Come. Wow. Ang ganda ng beach. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Gusto ko na namang maligo. Eh, nakabihis na ako. Look at the sunset. Wow. Nice. That is Genesis Divers, Peter's house. And here is the Henann where we were this morning. And that is the view. A lot of people. My God. Relaxing, doing things that they would love, enjoying, strolling, taking pictures, taking vlogging. A lot of activities here, a lot of actions here. So now and later they will be playing here, the band players. Later, maybe I think 7:30 p.m. they will be playing the music. And here are the kababayan sitting, and here are my family. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go. Here. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go home. It's already done. And we'll go home. Babuch. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kabisado ang mga, tingnan mo naman ang steps namin, puro buhangin yung paa ko. Look at that, the pathway, nice. Very organized. This is the Kai Spa. That is the Kai Spa. See, you are now entering a stress-free zone, it says. See that? Oh, ganda ng atmosphere dito, guys. Ganda, guys. Love it. That is why sometimes we come here to relax. Relax here in Panglao, beautiful Panglao. Here in Bohol. Come on guys, come here and experience the relaxing atmosphere of Henann here in Bohol. Okay? Bakit ganyan na nagdidilim itong camera ko? Come on, camera, come. It's getting dark. That's why it's getting dark, guys. It's already 6 o'clock p.m. That is why. Nag-switch on lahat ng lights nung pumunta na tayo sa parking lot, anak ko ah. Napansin ko yun ah. Whew, ang ganda. Love it. Oh, it's fiesta here in Dawis, and they have the procession after the mass. Ayan. This is their patron saint. Ayan. Traffic tayo konti dahil dyan. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan guys. May fiesta kasi dyan sa Dawis. Kaya nag-procession sila para sa kanilang patron saint. Ito na tayo sa Dawis Bridge. Here. Ayan.
Daming standby din na tinatutulog yung mga tao dito.
Ayan.
Paggabi dito,
Enjoying the moments, enjoying life, enjoying the view, enjoying the place. Wow, ganda. Diba? This is the bridge that connects the Tagbilaran and Panglao Island. Here it is. Ayun, pauwi na tayo. Dito rin tayo dumaan kanina umaga. Yan. Okay. Okay guys, bye-bye. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. Thank you for bearing with us. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you. Okay.